Today I am reviewing the Bissell Little Green Max Pet Portable Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hello everyone. If you're a pet owner, a parent, or someone who loves maintaining a pristine vehicle interior, you already know the ongoing battle against stubborn stains, unexpected spills, and embedded pet hair. Standard scrubbing brushes and surface sprays often just push the mess deeper into the fibers. Today, we are doing a deep, comprehensive review of a machine designed to pull those messes completely out of your fabrics. The Bissell Little Green Max Pet Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner, specifically Model 3860. We will break down its design, real-world cleaning capability, specialized pet tools, and overall ease of use to see if this compact machine is the ultimate cleaning companion you have been waiting for. When you first unbox the Little Green Max Pet, it becomes instantly clear that Bissell took everything users loved about their classic portable cleaners and optimized it for a completely seamless experience. This model feels incredibly sturdy, yet remains beautifully portable and lightweight. It features an extended hose and a generous power cord, allowing you to move freely around a room, reach up a full flight of stairs, or navigate the entire interior of a vehicle without constantly hunting for a closer wall outlet. Visually, it looks smart and functional, featuring a clever two-tank system. This setup keeps the clean water and cleaning solution completely separate from the extracted dirty water, ensuring you are always applying fresh formula to your fabrics rather than recycling dirty moisture. The tanks themselves are designed for maximum convenience, allowing you to pop them off, fill or empty them at the sink, and snap them back into place in a matter of seconds. Now, let's talk about performance, because that is where the Max in the product name truly earns its title. This machine is built with a significantly upgraded motor that delivers superior suction, boasting roughly 30% more extraction power than its leading portable competitors. This extra suction is a massive deal. It doesn't just mean it pulls out more dirt. It also means it extracts far more water from your carpets and upholstery, resulting in drastically faster drying times so you can get back to using your furniture and car seats much sooner. The machine operates on a highly effective spray, scrub, and suction triple-action cleaning cycle. You press a trigger on the tool handle to spray a fine mist of water and formula deep into the carpet backing. Use the built-in scrubbing bristles to break loose the embedded dirt, and let the high-powered vacuum lift the muddy residue completely out of the fabric. It handles standard day-to-day messes like tracked-in mud, spilled coffee, and deep-seated dust with absolute ease, restoring the original look and color of your fabrics. Because this is a dedicated pet model, Bissell packages it with specialized formulas and attachments designed to handle the absolute worst biological messes. It includes an 8-ounce trial bottle of their triple-action Pet Pro OXY Spot and Stain formula, which features a built-in urine eliminator and stain protect technology. When sprayed onto set-in pet accidents or muddy paw prints, the oxygen-activated formula chemically breaks down the odor-causing bacteria and pigments on contact. Not only does it instantly lift the visual stain and permanently eliminate the smell to prevent pets from remarking the spot, but it also leaves behind a protective barrier on the fabric fibers to guard against future staining. To complement this chemical cleaning power, you get two highly engineered attachments inside the box. First is the specialized pet hair removal tool. Standard vacuum nozzles often clog up when dealing with heavy layers of animal fur, but this attachment is uniquely shaped to sweep up, trap, and extract embedded pet hair from car carpets, couches, and stairs without wrapping around the brush roll. The second attachment is the game-changing self-cleaning tough stain tool. Anyone who has ever used an older portable deep cleaner knows that cleaning the machine after a messy job can be a total nightmare. Hair, dirt, and dirty water often get trapped inside the clear plastic tool head and the flexible hose, creating a breeding ground for mold and foul odors over time. Bissell solved this problem entirely. This innovative tool features a one-touch hose and tool cleanout system. When you are finished cleaning a mess, you simply connect the specialized cleanout clip, turn on the machine, and press the trigger. It forces a high-velocity stream of clean water through the entire length of the hose and the tool head, flushing all left-behind residue, dirt, and pet debris directly into the dirty water tank. It keeps the machine clean, hygienic, and ready for the next cleanup session with zero manual scrubbing required. It is also worth noting that choosing a Bissell product comes with a great philanthropic benefit. With every single purchase of the Little Green Max Pet, Bissell directly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its ongoing mission to help save homeless pets and support animal shelters across the country. It is a wonderful bonus to know that your investment in your own home's cleanliness is actively helping animals in need. To wrap things up, the Bissell Little Green Max Pet Portable Deep Cleaner is an absolute triumph in the portable cleaning category. By taking a compact, easy-to-store form factor and injecting it with 30% more suction power, a longer reach, a brilliant self-cleaning hose feature, and incredibly potent pet-specific tools, Bissell has created a definitive powerhouse. Whether you are dealing with a brand new puppy training in the house, tackling ground-in dirt on your living room rug, or doing a full seasonal detail on your car's upholstery, this machine makes the entire process incredibly straightforward, highly satisfying, and remarkably clean from start to finish. It is a must-have appliance that will save your fabrics and your sanity time and time again.